Hi, in this video we are comparing three different AI art software and decide which one is best. This is the prompt we are using. I made a full tutorial on Lexica. I will link that video in I button. Let's go to generate section, then paste your prompt here and wait for Lexica to generate variations. You get 4 different variations on Lexica. So this is all the variations Lexica generated. I think second one is perfect in these 4 of variations. So we will take this one to compare. Now we will try our second software, bluewillow.ai. Open bluewillow.ai, go to newbie section and paste your prompt. Let's wait for Blue Willow to generate our AI art. The process is same as MidJourney. You can say it is a complete MidJourney alternative. In these 4 variations, second one is perfect for our comparison. Now let's upscale it. Finally, we will try our last AI art generator, Leonardo AI. Open AI image generation, paste the prompt. I will select 4 different variations and generate. I think all the variations are pretty good, but third one is best of them. Let's upscale it and now let's look at them together to decide which one is better. I think Lexica and Leonardo are both great. Second to Leonardo and third will be Blue Willow. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.